Hi, I'm Rowan Thompson.
And I'm Tori McNees.
And our question was, do carnivores need salivary amylase? According to Duke's Physiology of Domestic Animals, saliva also contains proteins. The chief digesting enzyme produced by the salivary glands is amylase, but this is absent in Carnivora and Bovidae. So, because of the fact that it's absent, that's a sign that carnivores have evolved to not need salivary amylase. Their diet is high in fats and proteins while very low in starch, which comes from consuming other animals. This also means that their tract has changed, so it's very short and very acidic, which allows them to quickly denature proteins. A longer tract, which is used by omnivores and herbivores, would cause the protein-laden flesh to rot before it was fully utilized. And carnivores cannot actually have the protein digesting enzymes in their mouths because that would risk the chance of actually digesting themselves.
So because they can't have the enzymes in their mouths, they have them in the pancreas. These enzymes are only released when the animal feeds, and so the pancreas has to respond quickly and efficiently. And they produce these enzymes in order to neutralize the high pH levels that come in from the stomach. Again, according to Duke's Physiology of Domestic Animals, the pancreas excretes all of the enzymes necessary for protein, fat, and carbohydrate digestion. Pancreatic amylase hydrolyzes starch and is secreted in its inactive form. These enzymes are stored in the inactive form because otherwise they would break down the pancreas. When they're excreted, they are in their active form and are able to break down the proteins. If a carnivore did consume some starch and it wasn't expelled from the stomach, they would be able to break it down with these pancreatic enzymes. This would also lead to why Bovidae are excluded from this general rule because they actually ferment the food in their stomach, so they don't...
They're ruminants, which is weird and unusual and has to deal with microbiomes in their stomachs and stomachs and throwing it up, cud, and all sorts of things that carnivores and omnivores and most herbivores do not do. The whole lack of salivary amylase is also why carnivores such as dogs bite off big chunks of food without chewing, while herbivores and most omnivores have to chew it thoroughly. The dogs can simply send it through to the pancreas for digestion, while omnivores and herbivores have to chew it thoroughly to coat it in the enzymes before continuing it through the digestive tract. So, basically, carnivores do not need salivary amylase because they have evolved to not have it due to their diet, which is high in fats and proteins and low in starch. Cows do not have salivary amylase because they are ruminants and do weird things in their stomachs. However, herbivores and omnivores do need salivary amylase and therefore produce it. So that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.